3 days ago, OpenAI made an announcement that most news channels completely ignored. And if you have a white-collar job, a desk job, an office job, anything involving a computer and a brain, you need to hear this. Because what OpenAI just released is not another chatbot. It's not another image generator. This is something fundamentally different. And the CEOs, the venture capitalists, and the tech insiders are already calling it a turning point. I'm going to break down exactly what they did, which jobs are directly in the crosshairs, and what you should do in the next 30 days. This is AI Job Report. Let's get into it. Here's the core story, and this is where things change. For the last few years, AI has been a tool. You ask a question, it gives an answer. You give a prompt, it generates content. But what OpenAI is building now is AI agents, not tools, workers. These agents don't just respond, they take action. They can browse the internet, write code, manage files, fill out forms, send emails, and complete multi-step tasks without constant supervision. Think about that for a second. This is the shift from you using AI to AI doing the work for you. And once that happens, companies don't just become more efficient. They need fewer people. If this sounds theoretical, it's not. Let's talk about a real company, Klarna. Klarna, a global payments company, revealed that their AI assistant is now doing the work of around 700 customer service agents. 700. Their workforce dropped from about 5,000 employees to 3,800, and the CEO said it clearly. AI is doing the work of thousands. Now zoom out. Goldman Sachs released a report estimating that AI could automate up to 300 million full-time jobs globally. And the biggest impact? White-collar work? Office jobs? The exact jobs people thought were safe. Legal work. Admin roles. Financial analysis. And then there's IBM. IBM's CEO quietly announced a hiring pause for roles that AI can replace. Around 7,800 jobs. So now the question becomes, which jobs are directly in the crosshairs? Let's break down the top 5. Job number 1, financial analysts. Up to 70% of what financial analysts do can already be automated. Data collection, forecasting, report generation. Job number 2, paralegals and legal assistants. AI models are now capable of passing bar-level exams and review contracts in minutes. Job number 3, junior software developers. AI can now write, debug, and optimize code faster than junior developers. Job number 4, marketing analysts. Campaign analysis, A/B testing, customer insights. AI can run entire marketing workflows. Job number 5, insurance underwriters. 8. Risk assessment is data-driven, which makes it perfect for AI to analyze applications and calculate risk instantly. So where does that leave you? You still have time, but not years, months. Here is what you need to do in the next 30 days. Step 1, audit your job. Write down every task you do in a typical week. Then ask one question. Can AI do this? Step 2, learn one AI tool in your industry.
So deep.
Because the people who understand AI don't get replaced by it. Step 3, reposition yourself. Stop being the person who does the work. Become the person who manages the system. If you want to stay ahead, subscribe. In the next video, I'll break down the exact skills you need to become a you-proof.